Okay, Mitchell, I'm recording answers for you. When an externality is present, the market equilibrium is going to be inefficient, and the equilibrium does not maximize the total benefit to society as a whole. So this would be answer B in your case. And the answer to this is figure 3 in chapter 10. So this one shows us a minimum wage of $7. Equilibrium wage would be $5. At $7, the supply is greater than the demand. This is a binding price floor, and it's going to create unemployment. Look at this is the supply of labor, which is greater than the demand of labor. Okay, Mitchell, if there's only one unit of the good and buyers bid against each other for the right to purchase it, the good will sell for slightly more than $28 because Ava can buy it for slightly more than 28. I'm sorry, what did I say? Ava? I mean, Bayou will buy it for slightly more than 28 because they're willing to pay 36. Ava's only willing to pay 28. The other two are not going to get it. So this person only has to pay a little bit more than this person to get it. So this is the next one. At a price of $2, which is here, this is, the equilibrium price is $4. So at a price of $2, total surplus must be smaller than it would be at the equilibrium price. Yeah, if you drew a picture of this with 4 as equilibrium and 2 beneath that, you can see that the area of total surplus would be less. If the price elasticity for demand is 5, then a 10% increase in price results in, so just say price elasticity is 5, which is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Well, a 10% increase in price, so you just do the algebra. 10 times 5 is 50% decrease in the quantity demanded, A. Which of the following combinations will maximize the deadweight loss from a tax? Well, this has got to be these supply 2 and demand 2 are more elastic than these other two lines because they're more horizontal. There's a greater change in quantity for a smaller change in price. That's going to create a bigger area of deadweight loss. So it must be supply 2 and demand 2. Okay, so this one shows a private value and a private cost, a market in which, so we have an external benefit. We have equilibrium here at quantity 3, price, private value, and private cost are equal. At equilibrium, there is an external benefit. That means there is a positive externality. Okay, so this one says when a tax is levied on buyers, that doesn't matter whether it's buyers or sellers, the tax creates a wedge between the price buyers pay and the price sellers receive. This is talked about in chapter 8, and it doesn't matter whether the tax is on the buyers or the sellers. This is a fairly significant discussion, I think, in the chapter. Anyway, it doesn't matter, what matters is the elasticity of the curves, but it's not asking that. Okay, last one here. The overuse of antibiotics leads to development of antibiotic-resistant diseases. Therefore, the socially optimal quantity of antibiotics is represented by, so I can't see this whole picture, but it's the one with the reduced supply. I'm going to say that's this one. It's Q2. So the answer is Q2, quantity 2, where we have a reduced amount of supply, a reduced amount of supply, and a lower social cost. Okay. I can't find my cursor right now. There it is.